So I'm going to show you a video to tell you what Shirley actually found when she did this experiment by counting synapses to tell us about what the inputs to these neurons are. So the NPY neurons normally get some excitatory and some inhibitory inputs. The POMC neurons, the same. They get a little more excitatory inputs and fewer inhibitory. Now you look in the OB mouse, and what do you see? More excitatory inputs that would tend to activate the neurons that stimulate feeding, and the POMC neurons that express MSH and that repress feeding, you have fewer excitatory inputs. So you compare OB to wild type, and what you begin to see is the wiring diagram is different in ways that would favor activation of NPY and disfavor activation of the neurons that express POMC, the precursor of MSH. So now the question is, what happens when you give leptin? Well, you rewire the brain, it turns out, very quickly, removing the excitatory inputs to the neurons that increase feeding and adding excitatory inputs to the neurons that suppress feeding. These, I should mention again, are the MSH neurons. So what do we have? We have a mouse, an OB mouse, like those animals there. We give them leptin, and in a very short time frame, you rewire the synaptic inputs to those neurons.